Find the nth term of the following AP. Hence, find the 5th and the 13th terms of the AP. Solution. Given the AP, half, 3/4, 1, then we have 3 dots, which shows that this sequence is an infinite sequence. Now from here we know that this is the first term, T1. This is the second term, T2, and this is the third term, T3. Now in this case, the first term, A, is equals to T1, which is equals to half. Now we can find the common difference, which is D. D equals to what? T2 minus T1. It can also be T3 minus T2. We can also have it as T4 minus T3. So in this case, using T2 minus T1, this is going to be what? What is T2? 3/4. Then minus T1 half. We now consider what we call the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 2 is equals to 4. That's of the denominator. 4 divided by 4, we have 1. 1 times 3, we have 3. Then minus 4 divided by 2, we have 2. 2 times 1, we have 2. Now this will give us 3 minus 2, 1. So we have 1/4 equals to D. So the common difference is 1/4. Now we want to find the nth term of the AP. Using the nth term formula. Nth term formula. Of AP is given by Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1D. Now, what is A? The first term. That's 1/2. And what is D? The common difference. That's 1/4. So in this case, we have 1/2 plus 1/4 times n, that is 1/4n. Then 1/4 times minus 1, we have minus 1/4. So in this case, collecting like term, half minus 1/4, then plus 1/4n. If you take away 1/4 from half, you will get 1/4 left. So we now have this to be 1/4 plus 1/4 n. That is the n term of the AP. Now, looking at the other part of the question, hence, find the 5th and 13th terms of the AP. We need to look for the 5th and the 13th terms of the AP. Now, 5th term. That is equal to T5. So we are going to use the n term formula to determine the T5. It means that we substitute n as 5. So what are we going to have? This is equals to 1/4, then plus 5 times 1. What are we having? That is 5/4. And this one will now give us what? Simplifying further, it means that T5 is equals to what? The LCM, which is 4. Now 1 plus 5. And this will give us 1 plus 5, that is 6. 6/4. So we can reduce this. 2 here, 2. 2 in 6, we have 3. So here we are having 3/2. But we can write our answer as an improper fraction. We need to convert this improper fraction to a mixed numbers. So in this case, we have 1.5 for 3/2. Now we also need to calculate the value of 13th term. 13th term is equals to T13, meaning that we still go back to the what? To the nth term formula that we got. So in this case, it means that anywhere we see n, we are going to put 13. 1/4 into 13 here. So in this case, 1/4, then plus what? 13 times 1, we have what? That is 13. So over 4. So this will give us, this is over 4. Now, since their denominators are the same, so we can have 1 plus 13 at the numerator. 1 plus 13 will give us 14. So we now have 14/4. We can reduce this to lowest term. So 2 in 14, we have what? 7. And 2 in 4, we are going to have 2. So this equals to 3.5. And now we can now conclude that the value of fifth term, which is T5, what is T5? T5 is 1.5. And what is the value of the T13? That's the 13th time. So 13 times equals to 3.5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.